Everyone, this is Kiva Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video, ang Don Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Don Bell has to offer. Pero dito muna tayo sa Facebook ha. Kasi hindi muna ako dun pupunta sa TikTok. Kasi yung TikTok medyo paulit-ulit na tayo dun eh. Dito muna tayo sa Facebook.
Will love still exist between you and Belle even your
Ayan na.
paths changed?
Yeah, I think
Hello, sure ha?
always be
Yeah
love
ha? Sabi
Belle is
mo
one of those
yan.
people
Maghihintay kami.
that I consider, and we've said this, she's really a soulmate. You know, she's someone
Ay.
I've spent so much time with. We're so comfortable with each other. And no matter what happens to me and her, I'll always be rooting for her.
Sabi mo
There'll
yan.
always be care and love and respect. Because, you know, that's the foundation.
Will love still exist between you and Belle?
Ulit-ulitin natin talaga to kasi sabi niya talaga, aasahan
Yeah, I
ko.
think there will always be love there. Belle is one of
Aasahan
those
ko talaga
people
yan ha.
that I consider, and we've said
Sabi
this,
mo
she's
talaga yan,
really a
Donnie.
soulmate. You know, she's someone I've
Naniniwala
spent
talaga
so
ako
much
sa'yo.
time with. We're so comfortable with each other. And no matter what happens to me and her, I'll always be rooting for her. There will always be
Sabi
care
mo
and love
yan.
and respect.
Aasahan namin yan. Aasahan talaga namin. Ano na naman to? Bakit naman si Ivana? Ay, what is this?
We actually spoke about it that we changed our IG icon
Yeah, to that
to get.
Wait. Even a word of wisdom. Wait.
We actually spoke about it that we changed our IG icon
Yeah,
Ay,
to
yan.
get to that one.
Tama.
Yeah, it was very memorable since it was my first
Ano?
cover pa with him and it really became memorable because I remember we spoke
both
about
changed
it.
our profile.
We changed our icon. I've been
We
open
changed our
about it
icon.
and I told him naman na nung una medyo intimidating nga siya. Ibang-iba
Ay,
yung
talaga?
first
Oo.
impression ko sa kanya.
Ako
Kasi,
din,
syempre,
ibang-iba.
nasa pinto,
Softer.
pinto.
Oo,
Hindi ko alam
nung
paano
una kong...
mag-warm up. Obviously, we're
Kaya,
working, so you have to be comfortable with each
dear,
other. But it really was
i-search
so
nyo
good
dyan
to
sa
get
reaction video ko. Never akong gumawa ng reaction video ng Don Kiss and My Don. Totoo lang. Nang pumasok lang talaga si Belle sa buhay ni Donnie, doon ako gumawa ng reaction video. Kasi nagustuhan ko kasi talaga ng una si Belle talaga. Ang boses talaga ni Belle. Tapos eventually, sunod-sunod na hanggang ngayon. Ganon.
But then when we really saw each other sa look test naman,
Ano?
yung unang screen test natin,
Oh. Ano? Napansin mo na siya. Charis! Ano sinabi mo yung look test kayo? Ano kaya? Sino nagbeso ba kayo? Ano? Ikwento
really
yung...
be a chance that this
Na in love ka. Charis, pinapangunahan ko. Sorry, okay, quiet na ako.
I don't know.
Shut up na ako, ha?
But I close, pero I felt like I was ready to just do this completely new phase, you know, alongside you.
What's so nice is when we started talking, there was ilang at first, pero when we started, parang it felt so familiar. I feel like I've known him for so long.
Yeah, I just had to get to a point na we both agreed within ourselves na we have to get to know each other, you know, and
Let's say I show up, let's say, yun nga, for Roha, or like him doing Star Magic games or whatever.
Saan talahin? Ay! Ganda ni Belle dito. Brace yourselves kasi malapit na ang Star Magic Ball. Okay? Malapit na. Ay. Ala. Ang gwapo ni Belle. Asan yung next ko?
In general, being
Asan ang
supportive
next
of
ko?
whatever path he wants to take.
Gwapo
I
ni
think we're like
Belle
that with each other
doon.
talaga. That's why I really
It
appreciate
doesn't necessarily have to be said.
it. Would get to a point that we would mix around our schedules just to make sure that we can kind of be there for each other. And we don't need to
Sila
really say that.
mag-argue? Basic
There are
English sila
conversations.
sagot.
Sometimes surprise nga siya. Sometimes gusto lang namin.
Piliin ko magtampuhan sila. Ano? Best in English sila? Oo naman, feeling ko lang.
Pusa na lang lumalabas.
Support doesn't necessarily
Feeling ko
have to be
best in
said.
English talaga. English kung English. English dito, English doon. Ganun. Ganun sila. Mag-away. Magtampuhan pala.
I know we're here for one another.
Ay,
We're very supportive of us.
sabi nyo yan.
That's what I'm very proud of.
Saan ko yan, ha? Walang makikinig kay Edmond, ha? Si Edmond na paulit-ulit ang script, SL. Ewan ko sa'yo, Edmond. Anyways, I love the thing that...
Kasi magmahal eh.
Totoo. Masarap pagmahal sa inyong dalawa. Ako, hindi ako sure. Charis. May trauma ako eh. Toxic ako eh. Charis.
Actually spoke about it.
Toxic. Toxic ako eh.
Yeah.
Kaya, ay, what is this? Ay, umiyak si
Usually
Ben.
online, most of that is not true. Like when they're saying that
Ito palang halata kay Donnie, ang pag-aalala niya kay Belle at sa relasyon nila.
be
Umiyak ko si
usually
Belle,
online,
no?
most of that is not true. Like when they're saying that magkaaway sila,
Oo.
ayun, hindi sila magkasama,
Oo.
ayun na naman, hindi siya invited. Yung mga ganun, parang,
Oo.
saan nanggagaling yun? Bakit,
Di
bakit
ba?
kailangan
Tsaka,
Create ng narrative.
mag-create ng narratives just to
Oo.
make people, angry.
ganun
and
talaga.
fight.
Basher nani.
And for chaos to happen, that's not needed. In a world where chaos is already the center
Yes,
point of like what we're going through.
the
right? There's
world
so
is
many
messed
things
up.
going on.
The world is messed up and
And we were
chaotic.
never about that. Diba?
Totoo lang.
We were never about that. We were never about
Di ba? May
peace.
ADHD talaga ako.
Usually
Yung tipong alam mo
online,
yun,
most of that
wala
is
hindi
not
talaga
true.
ako
Like when they're
mapermi.
saying that
Tsaka sa mga
I'd like to finalize.
Asa
For
na?
Belle.
Ay.
Okay.
Ay, ano
if
to?
you could write a song about Donnie, what is
Ay.
something you want to highlight about him, and what do you think the working title could be?
Wait lang,
Whoa.
magsusulat po ako ng kanta.
Yes.
Bigyan niyo po ako ng mga 5 days. Joke lang.
Yes.
Ay, taray.
Um,
5 days? 5 days lang?
Maybe
Kaya niyo na
this
magsulat
is
ng kanta? Totoo
whole
ba?
journey as an actor. You know, I've seen him grow so much from the very start in season 2 and now. Like, to those who've seen the trailer pa lang, you can really see how he's grown and how he's
Dear
evolved
kayong
to who
dalawa.
he is now.
Ibang-iba.
Maybe the
I
title
swear.
would be The Man You Are.
The man you are.
Ganda. Feel ko #1 hit na yan sa Spotify. Love it.
The Man You
By Belle
Are.
Mariana. Abangan natin yan, 2027. Wow.
Ay,
Sige po.
Pressure! Thank you, Belle.
Sulat ng kanta.
Diba? True.
Susulat pa siya ng
magaling ka kaya.
Yun ko eh.
Magaling siya magka...
Pero sana
Magaling,
matapos.
magaling magsulat.
Oo, super. Ganda pa ng boses.
To.
Saan siya naman tanungin natin? Same
I
question.
couldn't agree
Joke
more.
lang.
Ay, gusto niya din talaga malaman kung anong,
For Belle.
kung anong
Okay.
i-highlight sa kanya ni Donnie. Kayo naman, kala niyo naman parang hindi kayo nag-uusap in person. Ay, hindi. Mas maliit ang mas lumabas ang kapugian. Yes. Mas lumabas talaga ang kapugian niya. Kasi, oh, baby po. At sa alamat ng bacon for today's video. Sandala yan. Ang alamat ng bacon talaga, no?
pero hindi
Iba
Tingin mo
talaga.
ba may
Ay,
pagmamahal na hindi talaga meant to last?
Oo naman. I feel like some people enter your life just to teach you a lesson. As
Ang
we
galing
grow
talaga
and
ni
have
Ben.
different
Full of
phases sa
substance
buhay
talaga
natin,
siya.
may ganun talagang may
Totoo lang.
encounter tayo na nandyan lang para turuan ka ng leksyon. Depende yun
Diba?
sa'yo kung hahayaan mo lang na ibaba ka. Nasa sa'yo yun kung you will take it as a lesson to help you in your next relationship.
ganda. Yun din ang magmamold sa'yo.
Talino
hindi
talaga
who
ni
you are.
Ben.
Yes.
Sa
Tsaka
tingin
very,
mo ba,
pag magsalita siya,
Sobrang proud
tuloy-tuloy
ako
siya.
sa'yo.
Ay,
I will always look up to you. I'm just so blessed that I got to spend.
hi! Ito yung in-announce nila na last project nila to, nakakainis. Anyways, that is all for today's video. Hindi tayo iyak. This is Cage Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!